She was covered in leather and gold, 21 years old. I lost her in the cold. It's unfair, she's out there somewhere, somewhere, somewhere in Brooklyn. She's somewhere, somewhere, somewhere in Brooklyn. Little Miss Perfect sitting at the train stop, red Nike high tops, listening to hip hop. While we were waiting, started conversating. Before I got a name, along came a train. Next stop, Brooklyn. Now I'm looking, she was covered in leather and gold.